How to change email on Crunchyroll. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. Today I'll let you guys know the way to change email on Crunchyroll. To do it so, you'll have to follow the steps. First thing first, open up a browser. Now instead of doing this with the help of a mobile phone, rather use your laptop, which is going to be more convenient and easy. On the web address bar, you want to type in www.crunchyroll.com, and this is going to take you to the official site. Now here, you go ahead and log into your account, entering your credential. After that, you want to click the profile icon from the top right hand side corner and go to settings. As you go to settings, you want to scroll down a bit, go to account section. Under it, you want to find email. Here you could see in change email. So if you want to change the email address, you just want to go ahead and click on send email change link. So just press that. Now you could see at the top there is a success. Check your inbox for your email. Now you can open up your Gmail and check for the link. As you can see, there is this link. Now press it on and click on change email. As you do it so, what next you want to do is just type in the new email address that you want to go ahead and confirm with, and once again you need to go ahead and type in or you need to type in twice for the confirmation and current password as well, after which you want to click the update email button, and as soon as you've done it so, you've successfully changed email on Crunchyroll. Now you might be logged out of your account, so that's the way you could change email on Crunchyroll. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.